Most traders think their strategy is a problem, but in reality, it's often execution. So I decided to test gold trading during real market volatility, and what I noticed was very interesting. So if you trade gold USD, you already know that gold doesn't move slowly, especially when volatility hits. Spread and execution matter more than anything else. So instead of just guessing, I ran real-time tests during London open session just to see how things actually behave. Alright guys, so this test was done on VT markets, of course. As you can see, I've already verified my account and all that good stuff, and they have got a beautiful dashboard, as you can see, very smooth. And right here, this is where exactly can find your accounts and stuff like that. But then if you want to trade with VT markets, of course, you have to verify your account by simply submitting your ID or anything or passport whatsoever, and then you good to go. Other than that, they also accept like crypto, so you already know that this channel is all about crypto and stuff like that. And they support like BTC, Ethereum, USDC, including USDT. You can pretty much deposit using cryptocurrency. So that's also advantage of VT markets. But other than that, they also have copy trading. So if you don't know how to trade, you don't know how to read charts and stuff like that, you can simply come right here and discover good traders. And these are people that you can pretty much copy your trades from. All right, just have to find accounts and then you find good traders. As you can see, their percentages are really good. And this, for example, this guy is called God, and I'm sure he's killing with gold. And if you really want to trade gold, this is a platform that you can pretty much take advantage of, you know what I mean? Because I tried to do this test using gold, right? I really wanted a platform that I can trade gold on. So as you can see, the percentages are really crazy and stuff like that. And these are all real traders, you know what I mean? So other than that, they also host like webinars. These are all things that you know, I just found out right now, and we can take advantage of all these webinars. And they also have like promotions going on every time. So as you can see, currently they have got this one right here. They say active trader program. So basically, if you trade or you are an active trader on VT markets, and of course you're gonna start earning up to 30% per annum on your account balance, you know what I mean? So that's also one good or advantage of VT markets. Other than that, you have your profile and the tools right here that will help you to decide or take good trades and stuff like that. For example, I've got this professional trader tool right here, and I checked it out. It pretty much gives you all the insights and information about the markets, including crypto and everything and stuff like that. As you can see right here, you've got your stocks, Nvidia and stuff like that, especially crypto right here. They also have all the, you know, trending cryptos right here, including Bitcoin itself. And then you can check what's happening with Bitcoin, all the news and stuff like that, instead of going to other platforms to check about Bitcoin or go to YouTube and stuff like that. You can just come right here and then you're gonna get all the information. These are trending topics and things that are happening right now. As you can see, this news popped up right now like 33 minutes ago. You know what I mean? Very helpful tools. And you also have all these mentions, histories and all that. I mean, if you take advantage of all this information, you're really gonna be able to make good decisions when it comes to trading, you know what I mean? So other than that, I just really wanted to find where exactly I can trade gold and good broker that can pretty much handle volatility and spreads and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm in my phone right now, and this is where things get interesting. So this is during the London open volatility, and I'm expecting the spreads to react. And from what I observed in this session, the spreads here stayed relatively stable even as price started moving, which during moments like this can make a real difference. You know what I mean? So London session just opened right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and open a trade and let's see how it's gonna go. You know what I mean? Let's try gold to USD right here. Let's buy. Then boom, you can see that was smooth and quick, and right now we are in. And so far so good. You can see the spreads are not crazy. We're doing good, and this is one thing I like about VT market. During my testing, switching between charts felt smooth and responsive. The order was executed quickly during my test, and these are the things that I needed the most. And guys, if you have ever had a trade hit stop loss and then the price goes exactly where you predicted, there's a chance spread played a role right there. Not every time, but it happens more often than traders realize. So from what I observed during this session, spread behavior played more consistent, execution felt smooth, and overall performance held up well during volatility. This is why serious traders don't just focus on strategy, they focus on execution conditions, because your broker isn't just a tool, it's part of your edge. So if gold is one of the markets to trade, it's worth testing this by yourself, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description below as well. And a quick disclaimer guys, always remember that trading involves risk and may not be suitable for other investors. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always you have to keep that in mind. And therefore guys, that's our video. Love and peace, and cheers guys.